Assuming you're searching for CHZ's cost expectations gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of CHZ, CHZ, will go from now on, in opposition to prevalent thinking, we will investigate the specific past costs of CHZ, CHZ, and will fundamentally figure out what specialists certainly are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this forecast and each truly other expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally inconceivable. However, we will attempt our very awesome. We should in every way that really matters. Begin. CHZ's past value examination as per the most recent information accumulated. The kind of current cost of CHZ is $0.058, and CHZ is as of now positioned number 72 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of CHZ is 7,466,079,839, with a market cap of $433,630,344, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. In the kind of beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 1.6% in its genuinely current worth. Assuming we explicitly think about the ongoing business sector cap of the CHZ with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap generally is likewise down, or so they thought. CHZ is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins, which is genuinely critical. The CHZ sort of is down to nearly 1.61%. In the sort of most recent 7 days, the coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for past not very many days. The coin could serious areas of strength for have at the same time. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. Inside the in every practical sense, most recent 1 month, the cost of CHZ diminished by 58.455%. Wiping out an astounding commonly normal amount of $0.082 from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well may be a decent purchase, a valuable open door for speedy venture. The 90 days cost change is near 57.85%. And the cost certainly coursed from a base typical cost of 13 cents to most extreme normal cost of 14 cents. In the beyond 90 days, which is very huge. CHZ is somewhere near 44.42% with the most extreme typical cost of the coin was around 11 cents, and the base truly normal value of was around 11 cents in essentially beyond 4 months. We foresee future CHZ cost expectation CHZ gauge by applying sort of profound computerized reasoning, helped specialized examination on the very past value information of CHZ in an unpretentious manner. We do our sort of the best to gather greatest authentic information for the CHZ coin, which in a real sense, incorporate different boundaries like past value, CHZ market cap, CHZ volume and hardly any more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money, and need kind of good profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our forecasts incredibly. CHZ value expectation 2023. The cost of CHZ is somewhat anticipated to reach at an essentially least degree of $0.088 in 2023 in an unpretentious manner. The CHZ cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.097, with the typical cost of $0.091. All through 2023. CHZ value expectation 2024 CHZ cost fundamentally is conjecture to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of 12 cents in 2024. According to our discoveries, the CHZ cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of 15 cents, with the in every practical sense, normal figure cost of 13 cents. In an especially significant manner, CHZ value gauge for 2025. The cost of 1 CHZ is supposed to really reach at a very least degree of 18 cents in 2025. The CHZ cost can arrive at a truly most extreme degree of 21 cents, with the typical cost of 19 cents. All through 2025, in an unobtrusive manner. CHZ, CHZ, value expectation 2026. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2026, the cost of CHZ in a real sense, is basically anticipated to reach at the very least degree of 26 cents, in spite of prevalent thinking. The CHZ cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 31 cents, with the sort of typical exchanging cost of 27 cents. CHZ value expectation 2027, as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of CHZ in 2027, the cost of CHZ in every way that really matters is anticipated to reach at least degree of 38 cents. The CHZ cost can in every way that really matters arrive at a greatest degree of 46 cents, with the especially normal exchanging cost of 40 cents. In an essentially significant manner, CHZ value expectation 2028, according to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2028, the cost of CHZ for the most part is supposed to reach at a really least value worth of 55 cents. The CHZ cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of 67 cents, with the truly normal worth of 57 cents, which is very huge. CHZ value expectation 2029. The cost of CHZ basically is anticipated to reach at a genuinely least worth of 78 cents in 2029, in a very significant manner. The CHZ cost could arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of 95 cents, with the by and large normal exchanging cost of 81 cents, all through 2029. CHZ value conjecture 2030 CHZ cost is gauged to truly arrive at a practically the most minimal conceivable degree of $1.15 in 2030. Incredibly, according to our discoveries, the CHZ cost could arrive at an exceptionally most extreme conceivable degree of $1.37, with the typical conjecture cost of $1.19. Or so they thought. CHZ value expectation 2031. As per our kind of profound specialized examination on past value information of CHZ in 2031, the cost of CHZ for the most part is estimated to be at around a base worth of $1.74. The CHZ value worth can arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $2.02. With the typical exchanging worth of $1.80 in United States dollars. CHZ value expectation 2032. The cost of CHZ is really anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $2.47 in 2032, which is genuinely critical. The CHZ cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $3.01, with the typical exchanging cost of $2.56. All through 2032. CHZ value figure facts. How all things considered, much will CHZ be worth in 2030? As far as value, CHZ certainly has an extraordinary potential to arrive at new levels. It is figured that CHZ will increment in esteem, as indicated by unambiguous specialists and business examiners. CHZ can stir things up around town cost of $3.01 till 2030. How pretty high could CHZ at any point go? The typical cost of CHZ